Oh man, what's up, most glorious guys? Man, it's your host of the most, Paul Cantu. I just left the gym despite the fact that we're about to go to war with Iran. Anyways, I'm at a local thrift, so I'm gonna go in and see what they got. But welcome to a brand new trip to the thrift. Let's freaking get it, boy. Yeah. Oh, well, would you look at that? Am I blessed? Yes. Dude, just stepped in and found two beautiful pieces. This thing looking like a carrot. Quite precisely, got that little spruce of green pony hit on the tit. It is the Polo Ralph Lauren essential crew neck, and this design is absolutely divine. Got that mother of blue pearl gem on the pearl snap button up. Dude, I love that pattern. This thing is just absolutely glorious. Gotta get both. Oh, this is absolutely lovely. Looking nice and Guatemalan. No, this might be Mexican, dude, but the thread count is just absolutely abundant. Oh yeah, it's made in Mexico. Rah, rah, rah. Yeah, maybe I will do an all women's clothes trip to the thrift where I have to make myself rock all the women's clothes I find. I think that'd be funny. And someone keeps asking for that in the comments. Yes, I read them, so I might have to divulge and rock some female clothes on some Young Thug-esque vibes. It's a nice wine rack. Oh man, what a real treat. What an absolute treat. Okay guys, I was walking to not my car at all. Just jumped out of there, got a little bag of stuff, and I threw the crew neck on body because when I leave the gym, I leave absolutely swagless. So I don't really go to the gym thinking I'm gonna make a video, but I mean, I'm here now. This is a double X, but low-key kind of fits me. So, I mean, I love being tall and lanky. We're blessed with our builds. Oh, I also want to show you guys some of the earrings that I did get the last time I came here. So I was just kind of popping thrifts when I leave the gym facility, but oh, that's overexposed. Trippy. So I got this nice little like dongle hanging earring. I just think it's sick and unique, and that's why I like finding accessories in the thrift. I also got this little star earring right here, also cool. I don't think it's real gold, but you can find some real metals up in the stores. I also have this little ladybug hanging earring, and yeah, I like wearing hanging earrings because it makes me look a little bit more homoerotic, and some of you guys get triggered by that, so always helps get some new comments popping in the little section down below. And then I also got this little subtle sexy like hanging dude as well, just to put in my fourth ear hole because I stay penetrating these lobes. You know what time it is, baby. Anyways, I'm gonna switch fits real quick. Hey, look at me, baby. Now I feel like I look real unique. Oh, this hood's kind of tight on the head. I don't know, man. I don't know about all that. But let's get to the next spot now that I'm looking like I'm wearing a babushka. All right, guys. So we're live in the mix, and they got some very sharp tongs. Yeah, let me know if these are worth $150. Dang, I'm gonna just stab myself in the but look at this. I got something to match the crew neck I found. That's right, baby. Yes, a bunny popping out of an enlarged carrot. Absolutely perfect. But one little apparel find we have is that little Nautica Lupo Young Yachty multicolored plaid sleeves on the nice green bean frame. This is a beautiful piece. I gotta grab this garment. Hey, I guess I'll get you too, man. You're desperate. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I love a desperate polo. Oh, Manu Ginobili vibes? Yeah. Hey, they got that little small check tank top. Shout out Drake and Travi making these popular. I'm gonna leave it though. I don't know. I don't need it. I'm gonna leave it. Damn, that's a whole horse in a cart. All right, t-shirt section just smacked. You got that Lil Weezy, baby, the Lil Wayne. Easily one of the GOATs, dude. When I was a youth in high school, Lil Wayne was the absolute shit. I don't really know what's good with him now. Hopefully his like kidney and liver all right from the codeine, but I gotta get this, man. It's like $2. Speaking of Lil Wayne, I got 10 bathrooms. I could shit all day, huh? He's got 10 bathrooms. I could shit all day, nigga. Hey, we got another one. Look at these little animals like plotting and scheming on how to take over the castle. This is a little Disney World tee. It's pretty cool. It's 2. I might have to, I might not. We'll see. Hey man, stomp somebody out with some real sheep armpit fur. Bootleg Timbos with the heel. Hey, this is what I would get if it was a female trip to the thrift. I would make these fit me. Look at this. The graphic is absolutely swagtastic, and it says butt with an E on it. Oh, that made it French all of a sudden. This is a cool colorway, made in USA. This is why I check every section. Look at this, sleeping bag, Marlboro Unlimited. Marlboro, that seems kind of hard to read, but look at the clasps on this guy, dude. This is high quality, and it also is on sale right now. So, on sale, fresh as hell, lung cancer. Let's get it. Oh, look at the inside too. A lumberjack flannel. Cozy vibes.
Already. We just busted out the thrift. My battery died, but luckily I had a replacement in the car. I'm never gonna be caught lacking again, but one thing I failed to show off was this cool little Mickey Mouse lamp right here. I don't know what homeboy's looking at. I guess the light, cause it's lit. This thing needs a lampshade though, so I'm gonna have to find one today, hopefully. I also did pass on the Marlboro Sleeping Bag. It had a stained flag. They're $1 million on eBay, and it's a bulky item, and I don't like having large items just in the inventory. It takes up a lot of space, and I didn't really need it, bro. So anyways, if you guys know what store I was at, feel free to grab it. I left it at the front. Okay, let's proceed to yet another one. Skirt! I'm cool, guys, because I have on some free shades. All right, dude, we're at the next spot right now. Man, that sun is actually bright than a bitch. Hey, this lady just pulled up. What's up, man? Yep, I'm vlogging it up. I'm vlogging it up. But yeah, I'm at the Family Thrift Outlet right now. Dude, it's just hilarious. This lady is literally right here. Like, I could flick a booger and it hit her dead ass in her forehead. But we're not doing that right now though. We're about to hit yet another thrift. I changed outfits because my gym clothes stank, and you gotta freshen up a little bit when you're trying to find some fresh clothes as well.
Y'all won't believe this. We're live in the trenches, but as I got done with that clip, this lady right next to me opens her door full force and then some, and straight busted the side of the thrift chariot. Luckily, there were no dents, no damage, none of that. But I just was like, face palmed and looked at her, and she's like, I'm so sorry. And I'm like,
personal foul, tripping by the offense number 15.
Anyways, guys, now that story's done being told, we got a Nautica jacket. Ew, this thing looks absolutely disgusting. Like, I honestly don't like hitting the thrift right after I take a shower, because like the thrift just makes me feel dirty, bro. Like, if you guys have ever had thrift hands and then wash them, you guys will see it's literally gray water. I'm not talking about water we can, you know, feed a plant with. I'm talking about the water is the color straight up gray, bruh. Like, it looks like someone like crumbled up some pencil lead and just dispersed it into the water molecules. But this is cool. I might get it, we'll see. Hey Terry, I just want to give you a big thank you for donating this St. Louis Rams jacket with a very lifelike depiction of a foghorn ram. Is that what they're called? Leghorn? What are these bitches called? I don't even know, but they're foghorns now, baby, honking at the competition. Oh, good God. We don't do 3 stripes. Look at that Nike white tag. Hello. Got a little bit of that mustard excrement on it. Nothing on the back, yo. I don't give a damn about a little bit of mustard on that. Fire. Oh, yeehaw, man. These are 2 dandy finds right here, too, man. You got that Pendleton made in USA. Ooh, it's that virgin wool, not that little whore wool. You know, these lambs that just be fooling around with every little bull lamb. Is that what male lambs are called? I don't know. But hey, you got more outdoor fire, baby. You got a bear, a salmon, a buck, a wolf, and an eagle. All on one shirt. Damn, Animal Kingdom orgy. Oh, man. Look at this. Hold on. Oh, come on. Check this dude out. You have an eagle all sketched all the way down from one shoulder blade to another. Oh my God, large talons included. This is a double-sided, all-over print eagle sketch. Come here, boy. I love you. Bro, hell no it doesn't. Dude, this bad boy is clean too. This is dumb clean. Wow, what's on the back? Nobody, perfect. It's whoever you interpret it to be.
Is what you interpret it to be.
Ooh, is this another one? Come on, please just be hella stuff with soccer jerseys. Yeah, this shit bootleg as hell. Look at all that connected stitching. This is like connect the dots, except in the sweatshop. Hey, sometimes you gotta find a way to entertain yourself. Oh, my size and with tags? Color blocking is spectacular. Ooh, this colorway goes. Y'all can't tell me this rugby wouldn't look absolutely perfect with these Sean Wotherspoons, because I see that fit in my future. Oh, guys, look at this divine find. Oh my God, that oral, baby. Yeah, this that tongue work, son. It is the 9798 Bridges to Babylon, the lips, the mouth. What that mouth can do to the Rolling Stones, all depicted on the back. Oh my God, we done got one, baby. When I go fishing, I fish with bombs. Oh man, look at this, right next to the nursing home exclusive. You have that Henley Mickey collabo, what we've all been waiting for. This is what the inside of that Marlboro sleeping bag was like too. Yo, thrift regret number one. I should have got that Marlboro sleeping bag because I could have cuddled up with the heavily distressed, but very clean looking distressing Marlboro country store. Oh yeah, look at the cow's ass on this, baby. Oh yeah, that's that good neck, baby. Oh yeah. Oh dear God. Yo, this thing looking like a bunch of overcooked spinach. You got that nice dark green vintage Adidas jacket. Trifoil. Let's go. Bitch, you guessed it. Woo. Use right off the hanger. Dude, sometimes the sexiness is in the subtlety right here. Guess USA, all embroidered striped long sleeve. Wow, that is an essential. Popping like a pimple. I did pop this pimple the other day. Flew out, hit the mirror. Shattered the glass? No, but hit it hard? Yes. Look at this, guys. This is crazy. We literally have the whole state of Missouri on this rack. You got a starter satin jacket, a Rams crew neck, a Cardinals tee, another Rams crew neck. This was cool. Look at those sleeves on it. A Missouri reverse weave, then a Missouri Tigers, and this little baby cub tiger is just popping all the way through. And he has on a nice pair of shorts. Oh, you guys gonna be like, oh, Paul, you missed the Space Jams, bro. Paul, you missed the Space Jams. Tripping. All right, man, we gonna wrap this up then. Last little find. I could definitely tuck this bad boy into an oversized pair of carpenter shorts. It's the Tommy for your mommy striped essential. Oh man, what a day of bliss it has been in the family Thrift to Hillcroft. Amazing. Yes, sir, and already we back, ladies and gentlemen, and seeing as you guys are like part of my family, I figured I'd introduce you guys to the newest member of our huge family. Yes, that is right, fishes get you hella bitches, and I done got one. Shout out my boo for getting Juniper, the beta fish, live in the crib. I probably am gonna have to get a few more fishes to get me even more bitches. No, but we also got a snail right here that gets you hella tail. That boy Toby just down below deep cleaning them pebbles. You feel me? But yeah, look at this beautiful sea creature. Oh my dick. Well, if you guys enjoyed today's video, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to the family, everybody. If you're new, definitely subscribe as well. Smash the like button. And if you guys want any vintage gear, check out my online store, thriftheavenvintage.com. That Rolling Stones tee should be dropping soon. That was a crazy like $100 find in the thrift. So yeah, until next time, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.